I can't hear. Good evening. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Mahapatra, CDMO, Dhenkanal, Father Paul Roshan Soy, Manager, St. Luke's School, Burla, Father Birendra Ekka, Secretary, Education Department, Catholic Diocese of Sambalpur, esteemed members of school management, dedicated teachers, proud parents, and my dearest little stars. It fills my heart with immense joy and pride to welcome you all to our annual day celebration, a vibrant showcase of our youngest learners, incredible growth and budding talents. Today is not just a function, it is a beautiful tapestry woven with laughter, dreams, and the first precious steps of our children on their lifelong learning journey. My dear parents, look at these little ones. Just a few months ago, they walked into our school, perhaps little shy, holding their parents' hands tightly. Today, they stand tall, confident, and ready to shine, performing with such enthusiasm and joy. This transformation is a testament to their innate potential and the nurturing environment we strive to provide them. Yes, my dear parents, at Montfort School, we believe that early childhood education is the bedrock of a strong foundation. It is not just about ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. It is about fostering curiosity, building social skills, encouraging creativity, and nurturing emotional intelligence in students. Our curriculum is designed to spark their imagination and develop them as well-rounded individuals physically, intellectually, socially, and spiritually. Dear parents, I must take this opportunity to extend my deepest gratitude to our incredible teachers. Your patience, dedication, and unwavering commitment have turned our classrooms into heavens of learning and fun. You are the true architects of these young minds, gently guiding them, celebrating their success, and comforting them in their small stumbles. To our parents, thank you for your trust, your partnership, and your invaluable support. You are our most important collaborators. Your encouragement at home, your presence here today, global citizens who will contribute positively to the world. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the spectacular show put on by our little performance. Let's show them with love and encouragement. First time they are on the stage, they may make mistake, but let us correct them.